Well, it looks like it made it in, so I guess we'll see how it goes. It's a little jammed up. Okay, here's the pieces. So you can see what that looks like. There's a nice radius on there. I'll have to flatten this bottom off, smooth this all out, make this hollow. I'll get rid of as much of this yellow drip as I can. I think it's pretty soft. I might harden some of it up once I get done with some super glue. Okay, I've got this bowl blank so far, and there's some pretty good splits in it. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill it with sawdust, but in this case I'm going to take pink mica powder or whatever, mix it with the sawdust, and try and put a contrasting color here. We'll see how it goes. I may have to put more pink in here. We'll see. Well, that looks pretty good. I may add some more sawdust and more pink to make sure I got enough. And I'll save this for some other bowl where I have cracks and I'll use that and stuff again. Okay, I guess I have talked about this much. This is the bowl I just finished. This is the core that came out of it. And you can see some pretty big splits where it's been drying. And the core is coming out. I've got it pretty smooth here. I'm going to fill these cracks, then remachine it to get it smooth again and see how they turned out. And I'm not sure exactly what's going to happen, how thick the walls are. This won't penetrate that deep, so I'll probably have to treat it on the inside and the outside separately. Okay. Now, this core, this is an oak tree that was in my backyard. Okay, I've got this turned around. I put pink sawdust in the cracks with CA glue. It's basically pink mica powder mixed with sawdust. And then I'm going to hollow this side out next and probably fill in some more cracks on the inside. It might take me a little while here. So here is my latest bowl. It's the coring from the previous large bowl I made. It's 11 3/4 across and about 2 3/4 tall. It turned out pretty nice. It's oak, and it was very green when I was turning it, so it was drying and cracking. And what I ended up doing was putting sawdust and pink mica powder that I use with my epoxy normally, and I put that together in the cracks. And I had to do that a couple of times because it cracked. It kept drying further, and even now it's a little warped because of the drying it did towards the end, and so the bottom's not perfectly flat. It's pretty flat, but it's not perfectly flat. And here you can see the pink in the pith there, and across the way it's pink significantly. Then there's little stripes, and it's my Valentine bowl, I guess. I'm a little late for Valentine's, but I did do it, and it has that pink tint to it. It turned out pretty nice. It's got some bark on it. It's got, well, actually, I guess it doesn't have any bark. It just has color from the pith and from where the newest wood was darker. And let's see, anything else? I think that's about it. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe for more similar wood turning videos. Please comment on the video and I should respond.